Hi everyone, we're here in the Maldives at Sun Aqua IRU VELI. We're about to take you on a tour inside this King Ocean Suite behind me. So let's walk on up and take a look. As you can see, amazing turquoise water either side of this jetty on the walkway up. Beautiful view both ways. Right, so we're now going to take you inside through the living room and out to the back. And here we are out on the back balcony, and very good timing because there's a seaplane just over there which has just arrived. We came in on a seaplane when we arrived as well. That's pretty cool being able to see that. And here we are on the balcony. So nice big infinity pool here. Turquoise blue to match to the lagoon. There's sun loungers, there's a sofa there's tables both sides. This is a 2-bedroom suite, so it's got 2 double bedrooms and 2 ensuite bathrooms. So 2 here and 2 over the other side with like a living room in the middle. So we'll take you in now to the first bathroom and the first bedroom. And here we are inside the bathroom. So, beautiful bath there looking straight out to that lagoon view. There's also like a floor to ceiling window here which looks out to the lagoon as well. Then his and hers basins, we've got a shower there and the toilet at the back, and that's the door that takes you through into the bedroom, which if you want to head around that way, I'll see you over here in the bedroom. So here we are in the bedroom, big double bed in the middle with views outside of those French doors that you're standing at there. And behind here is all the normal sort of mini bar, wine, coffee making facilities. There's wardrobes here as well, so everything you'd expect. And the bedroom and bathroom on the other side are exactly the same as what we've just seen. So we'll take you now outside and I'll meet you around through the other French doors to show you the living room. So here we are in the living room. As you can see, lots of comfy seats, armchairs, sofas to sit in and relax. There's a TV in that corner. Behind me here is a bathroom and a kind of a mini kitchenette type area there as well. Through these double doors is the other bedroom, followed by the other bathroom. And as I stand here, I can see lagoon through that window and lagoon through that window of the bathroom. So when you've got it opened up, yeah, it's an amazing view everywhere you look. So, you take a little look through there. And we're going to head out now again to the decking. So this is the other side of the decking, the other outlook, which is completely uninterrupted. There's a few little islands out there which you can see. But apart from that, it's the turquoise blue lagoon which blends into the darker ocean with a coral reef in between. So you can do lots of snorkeling and swimming as much as you like out there. So that's it. And this is the last bathroom and last bedroom, which is the same as what we've seen already. So we will leave you with the views of the lagoon behind me, and thanks for watching.